Guys, I got like an upgrade on my Samsung Q990b soundbar. I got like Samsung Soundbar Q990f. Nothing much on this box. You've got like Dolby Atmos, DTSX, HDMI. Right, and you got these down here. You got Apple AirPlay, Chromecast and Spotify. I've got to say about this Samsung Q990b soundbar, I want to say bye to it. You gave me pleasure, you gave me entertainment watching all these movies and gaming and listening to some music. Cool. Let's go and check out this soundbar, the new one. I like the grooves and all that. Smart Thing app, Samsung Smart Thing. It's like the Atmos speakers. It's got like 15 drivers in there. 23 speakers altogether. I bought this because it's 2.1. Cool, man. I was looking at this last year, but it's too much money, man. I wasn't going to pay £1,500. I got it for like a fair price. eARC, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. Cool. There's like the buttons, mic, volume up, volume down. The usual stuff. There's like the satellite speakers. Look exactly the same as that. This is like left surround, and there's like the right. I didn't realise like the sub's this small, you know. Tiny. ID set it. Standby link for the power. Same here. ID link. Standby link. Cool, but the sub, man, tiny in it, man. A 8-inch driver. Cool. What's in this box? Instructions, Samsung. It's like the plugs for like the satellite speakers. For the soundbar. And for the sub. It's like the brackets, if you want to stick it on the wall. It's best to stick it on the wall, you know, chest height. Then you get like Atmos better, man. Wonder what the sub remote's like, or is it just exactly the same as my Q990b soundbar? Guess what? Exactly the same. It's alright though, man. It's nice and small. And there's some batteries. Let's go with it. I'm looking forward to hearing this soundbar, watching a couple of movies, then I'll get back to you guys. Tell you what I think, what the improvements are. Because this is quite a big upgrade, man. From B to F. Wouldn't be like much of an upgrade if you come from D to F. But happy days, man. I'm having a good Saturday. Cheers.